Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view deleted photos on your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel because it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is click on Photos, then go to your albums, scroll down, and basically you will see recently deleted. If you click on that, you will see your recently deleted photos. If you want to recover a photo, click on it, click on recover, and then it will be on your photos. If you want to delete it, it will be deleted from all of the devices and your iCloud. So make sure that you know that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.